want to start off with, for everybody in our audience, if you're out there right now and you're new to the business, and I'm going to set the stage here for you. If you're new to the business or you're out there and you're struggling right now, you're going to pick some things up that you can put into your day-to-day right now that I think will help you, because Jason is doing this every day. In his first year with EFES, and Jason, correct me, it wasn't even a full year, over 200,000 in production on the board. And then last year, first full year in the business, over 400,000, almost $500,000 in personal production in the final expense space. And you continue to get better, it seems like, every single day. Connected, you're a big part of the culture. You're in the chat, helping people out. Talking a little bit about what you were doing before you got in the business, and how did you find the business overall?
Well, prior to getting into the insurance industry, I was in the medical field, but I had dreams that were much bigger than what that job was going to be able to fulfill for me. It kind of kept me from taking the jump for quite some time. I kind of handcuffed myself financially and career-wise by just being comfortable and not being so open to embracing change. But my cousin actually is in the final expense industry as well. And for about 2 years, he kind of put it in my ear because he had heard me, just kind of complaining about some of the downsides of my previous job. And it took me 2 years to finally take the jump. He's the one that directed me to EFES. His exact words were, "Everyone that I trust in the industry vouches for this company." So he put me in contact with EFES. That was such a blessing, because EFES has been just phenomenal for me. And the culture we have here of support and encouragement, and it's really unique. And I give you a lot of credit for this, because culture starts at the top. It really does. And it's a great place. We're like one big team here, and we all celebrate the successes of others, people that we don't even know. I mean, I stay plugged in, so I recognize when there's a new person, in our group chat or on the morning calls, calling out the numbers, and it just puts a smile on my face to hear of other people having success. And I'm not the only one that feels that way. You can tell across the board a company that really celebrates the success of ourselves and of other people. Also credit, the people that we've brought into the company. They're just good people. At the sales conference in Dallas, so many people that I got to meet, you can just tell they're genuine people, good to be around, that they care about other people. You don't find people like that every day. And somehow we put together this group that is just, the exception to the rule. So I give you a lot of credit for that, and for the people we brought in. It's just quality people.
Well, I'm fired up, man. I'm thankful for your time. I appreciate you tremendously in sharing some time with us. And it's just awesome to hear and get a peek behind the curtain of what makes an elite level producer just an awesome person, tick, and how they do what they do. So thanks again for sharing everything with us today and the time. And we'll do it all over again sooner than later.